wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best sushi making kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Kitchen Plus Home DIY would make a nice addition to any cook's collection, or a thoughtful gift for your foodie friend looking to stray from his or her comfort zone. It may take a bit of practice to get the hang of, however, as it's not as straightforward as some options. Its molds have grooves for even cutting, but it makes cumbersomely large pieces, and the instructions are poorly written. At number 9, as a complete starter set, the Ekco Power is an excellent choice. The bamboo rolling mat is perfect for making both regular and inside-out rolls, and the 2 pairs of chopsticks can be used to enjoy your delicious creations when they're ready. It creates standard-sized maki and includes 2 traditional sauce plates, but rice tends to stick to the mat. Coming in at number 8 on our list, designed for beginners and experts alike, the award-winning Easy Roller is a perfect solution for creating healthy meals with ease. The patented device works with many different wraps, rice paper, crepes, and even tortillas for some delicious fusion cuisine. The traction sheet is replaceable, and it's made from hygienic and safe food-grade plastic. However, the directions are hard to follow. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sushi making kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, impress your family and friends with professional-looking rolls using the Camp Chef Sushezi roller. You can prepare fresh and impressive maki in just 3 easy steps, and when you're done, cleanup is as simple as placing the device in the dishwasher. It's made of durable plastic and is quick and efficient. Rice slides out smoothly. Moving up our list to number 6, the bamboomn Natural is a complete set that makes it easy to start your culinary adventure, including 2 rolling mats, 1 rice paddle, and a spreader. It's a very affordable option made from high-quality bamboo in the traditional Japanese style. It's great for beginners or experts and includes a sauce dish. It's simple enough for children to use. Halfway up our list at number 5, with everything you need to create fun rolls in a variety of shapes and styles, the IR 11-piece makes a great gift for the beginner chef. All pieces are dishwasher safe, and the included knife pairs perfectly with the cutting guides built right in. It includes round, square, and triangular molds, a convenient drawstring storage bag, and links to tutorial videos. At number 4, there's no rolling required with the isottcom makimaker, making it much easier to use than traditional bamboo mats. It comes with a 60-page digital guide full of detailed instructions and recipes, and the plastic storage sleeve can be hung up next to your other utensils. It's handmade from high-quality wood and built to last for years. It's backed by a lifetime warranty. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with a rice paddle, a spreader, and 5 pairs of chopsticks, the delamu beginner gives you everything you need to get started and to serve your handmade creations to guests. Plus, the utensils are printed with cute detailed fish designs for a decorative touch. It features mold-resistant carbonized bamboo, eco-friendly materials, and a step-by-step PDF guide. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sushi making kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the SushiQuik Super Easy makes you look like a pro, thanks to a training frame that measures the exact amount of rice needed for each roll. Plus, the non-stick paddle is designed to help you spread the grains without making a mess, for consistent results every time. It cuts even slices safely, and the end caps double as sauce dishes. The mat snaps apart for cleaning. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the bamboo worx comes with 2 mats, 1 paddle, and a spreader, all made from high-quality 100% bamboo, as its name would suggest. It's easy to clean using soap and water, and can last virtually forever as long as it's rubbed with mineral oil from time to time. It's simply and elegantly designed, and both chemical and varnish free. The packaging doubles as a storage pouch. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sushi making kits, or simply click beneath this video.